Today we're gonna make some Pancit Canton. So is it boiling? Oh, I think it's boiling. So let's check if it's doing it. Okay, I think it's boiling, guys. Let's put it. Oh, it's popping. If you see those kinds of bubbles in there, that means it's boiling. So let's put it. So let's place the carefully. Alright. Okay, I think we did it. Now we need to place the wait. Oh yeah, we need to mix it first. It is so delicious. Someone it's kind of burning my hands a little. Oh yeah, don't forget.
Upside down.
Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button. Now let's flip it upside down. It doesn't. There, more better. Like fried noodles cubes. It looks like a cube. Okay, now let's cover it. Okay, now it's boiled. So let's open it. Oh, and it's quite a burn my hand. It burned me. Okay, now let's
stand up.
Now let's place the good. Now you can put cabbage there if we like. So let's place the cabbage. Cabbage fall. That's okay. That's good to do. Now let's mix it. Get a mixer and mix it up. Oh, I think it's transforming to. It's not becoming like a cube anymore. It's becoming like a noodles now. I can smell it. I can feel it because I can smell it. I can feel it because I can smell it. Okay, now it's ready. Now let's cover it for a while. But before we cover it, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell button. So let's cover it and wait for 2 minutes. I think I don't know, but let's just wait for here for a while. Okay, so my mommy is gonna help me on pouring the water. So we're gonna go back and pour the sauce after mommy mommy pour the water. Oh, hi guys, back again. And then why is there shema here? Well, let's eat that later. But let's go on on cooking our seasoning. First, let's put our calamansi powder here. Let's do this carefully. Now let's place the seasoning. My mommy's helping me to hold it so it won't fall. It's 2 at a time, so be careful. Oh, that's scary. Now let's try to get this, and then my mommy's helping me to put the other excess. Now let's mix it. It smells so delicious. And I think it's gonna be so delicious, guys. It's Pancit Canton with cabbage. I almost forgot to say the name of the food. Let's mix it all around here. So great. Bye bye guys. I think it's done, and make sure to like and subscribe again because I gonna reminder note. That's a reminder note. And shout outs. Julio and Althea. That's shout outs. So bye. So welcome back, and here is my Pancit Canton that we made, and we already ate the strawberry because it's so yummy. The one before that how did I know that's there? So let's try to eat this one, And then let's get up. Oh, this is a big scoop. Let's try to eat this. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my. Don't mind that burp, it's from my daddy, and then that was very nice. Make sure to make it if you don't have this. If you don't have this, buy this now. It's just one pack and it already includes the seasonings. Try to get it now. So bye and see you in the next video.